Ever stared at 17:30 and wondered, is that lunch, tea, or dinner? If you find converting time between 24 hours format and AM PM frustrating, then you're not alone. Some people live by military time, others won't touch it. But what if on your spreadsheet your boss expects you to convert between these two formats in seconds? In this video, I'll show you two ridiculously simple ways to convert time between these two formats. And stick around because I'll also show you how to do this using Copilot. Let's dive into it. Here we have data that is in date and time format. The data is in year, month, and day format, followed by time in the 24 hours format. We need to extract just the time and convert it into 12 hours format. Sounds like too many steps. Let's look at a simple solution. I'm going to use the text function to achieve this. The first parameter is the value, which in our case is the cell A2. And for format text, we need to provide the 12-hour format, which is h:/mm am/pm. And that's it. Copy the formula down and you'll have the results for all the cells. The text formula is a very powerful formula and I'll leave a link for another video for you to consider. Let's look at another example where we need to extract the time in the 24-hour format. We will use the same text function again, text A2, and the format text will be hh:/mm. It doesn't get easier than this. Similarly, we can extract just the date in any format. Let's get the date in dd:/mm format, text A2, and the format will be dd:/mm. And we get the result. Now what if we just wanted to convert the original data and not use any formulas? That's easy too. Select the data, go to number format, select the time format of your choice, press OK. And you get the result. And finally, let's see if Copilot can help us. Let's change the format once again. I'm just going to do undo. I'm going to click on Copilot and write a query. As I press send, I expect the Copilot to give us an error. See, it does. It says I'm unable to make changes to the cell A11 to A15 because they're outside of the Excel table. Please try making changes to cell inside the Excel table. There are two conditions for you to use Copilot. First, your file should be on OneDrive, which is true in my case. Second, the data should be in an Excel table, which is not true in this case. However, if you scroll, you'll see Copilot has given us the exact same formula option correctly. And as Copilot is continuously evolving, you will see changes and improvements coming along the way. But for now, let's convert our data into an Excel table and rewrite the query. This time I have referred to the table 1 instead of the range. Click send. This time it gives us the option to apply date time format, and we can apply the format directly through Copilot. So let me click on apply. And it makes the changes. So that's 3 ways of converting the time or even date format for that matter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any question or topic you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Analytics Success for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thank you for watching.